Hello all my crafty friends, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I am going to show you guys just some organizational things that I've been working on and kind of cleaning up my desk. So for these rosettes that I have here, I was going to put them in like by collection. But I think what I'm going to do is just, ooh, that one kind of fell apart. I'm going to have to fix that one. I'm going to have to just put them all into a container. And so I have some shakers there. I tried to make, I'm still working on it, but I tried to make like a little banner, so that'll be fine. So right now, all of my bows, well, some of them are in here. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in a bigger container. Let me grab the container I think I'm going to use. So I think I'm going to use one of these. These were, I think, from Recollections. And so I am just going to put all of my bows, because I don't have a whole lot in here. And then that way I can just keep them all together and kind of just all one piece. And then that way when I'm looking for a specific one, I can just grab it until my collection grows a little bit more, which I'm pretty sure it will. I need to figure out spacing in my room for a another like unit in my room. So yeah, so I have some die cuts, so I'm going to put all of my bows inside here, and just so then that way I can reach them and you know, keep them pretty safe. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing for my rosettes. I'm hoping that they all can fit in there. I think I might try to put them in a box just because I don't know what else to do with them. So I think that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in a box for scrapbooking. And then these are all like little paper embellishments that I'm actually going to put probably in the same box. So that'll go there, and these will go in there as well. Now the thing is I have these shakers and I have like these little stars, but I also have this pack of just, I have this stick on the back of it, but I have like all these cutouts, and so I think I'm gonna put this inside my I have like a whole bunch of ephemera packs, so I think I'm gonna do that and put this in my ephemera pack, so then that way I keep that. And look, there's like another little butterfly and a little this little guy fell off. So I think this one needs to be fixed again, because I think that one goes on there as well. And then I also had a card that I'm going to put with all of my cards, and I have a little bit of some sequins that I'm going to put with my sequins. So let me go ahead and grab what I'm going to do. Let me see if I can grab a bin. Alright, so it's not the prettiest, but for right now this will work until I get a little bit more organized with my stuff. So this is going to be where I put all of my cute little rosettes, because I know I'm going to be making more. And I actually might put these inside there just because I don't want to have too many until my thing starts growing a little bit more, until my stash starts growing. So that'll be that, and I can actually see and be able to kind of dig around, and it's not like right up on my desk, and it has a cute little closure, or not cute, but you know, it has a closure. So we will keep that. So I'm going to put that on my shelf, and then these are actually going to go in my bin with my sequins. Let me grab that. So this is my bin that I've been keeping my small amount of sequins in, and as you can see, I have like some left in here. So I'm actually going to just put this on top because I do want to use this up pretty quickly. There's only a little bit left, so I will do that. And then, let's see, this is going to go into my bin for all of my ephemera. And I will show you guys that. So this is my bin for my ephemera and for my bling. I know I need to organize it a little bit better, but it does have all my ephemera in little baggies, and I try to keep as much of the what's inside in there. So like this one has all those. And it's just easier for me, and I also do have like some from other collections that like don't have any, where is it? Like this is just like arrows. So I probably will just put this inside here. And then I think I'm also going to do the same for my, so I have this little guy right here that I'm going to go through. I'm probably going to keep the majority of this in here. I'm just going to add these two little butterflies in there so that way they get used up. I do have some stars that I have like put out. So I'm actually going to put this inside this bin too, just because I want to try to use these up. And if I don't, that's totally fine. But so I have this on my desk. This is going to be the only thing that I want on my desk. And then, last but not least, I'm going to put this with my cards, and I'm actually not going to get out my card bin right now, but that is the plan that I am doing. So I'm actually going to get that taken care of and put this in so that way it's with all the cards. And it's just like one of those bins that I have for a whole bunch of cards that I've made before, so that way I have them in order of like birthdays and anniversaries and Christmas and all that stuff. So this is going to go in there, so then that way when somebody's birthday comes up, I can just go ahead and pull this out and use it. So I freed up 2 containers. These are going to go over on the floor. I have like a little bin that I have containers in. And so this will just go inside there because I don't know if I'm going to keep these or not. These are actually just, I don't even know where this is from. I think this might have been like a Q-tip holder, and then this was from Chinese food. But yeah, so I'm going to put those over there, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little like putting things away. I do enjoy watching these sometimes, just when I just am scrapbooking. I don't have to pay attention as much. I do like just listening to people and their organization tips and what they do and just kind of cleaning up and stuff. So I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!